Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm going to do the initial setup on the iPhone XR and give you my first impressions. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decide to pick up the iPhone XR and you're coming from an older phone. I'm going to show you how easy it is to go through the initial setup and also come back and give you my first impression on the iPhone XR. What a beautiful looking device. Look at that red. I'm so glad they came out with the red one straight out the gate. But let's get into this video. So the first thing you want to do is swipe up, select whatever language you are. I'm in the US. I'm going to set this up manually because I don't have an iPhone around. Let me put in my passcode. Alright, so data and privacy. I'm going to continue. I'm going to try to do Face ID on camera. Let's see if we can get this going. It tells you how to set it up. So I'm going to put a passcode in. Alright, so you get options here. You can restore it from the iCloud, restore it from iTunes. I'm going to set it up as a new iPhone. Alright, so make sure you know your username for your Apple ID. Then you want to agree to this. Alright, so express settings. You can use your settings below to customize it. It says keep your iPhone up to date. Apple Pay, I'm going to set up later. I don't need Apple Pay. Now, Siri, you can set up too. Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri, how's the weather today? Hey, Siri, it's me. Now you have Siri set up. Screen time, you can get a report. That's pretty cool too. If you want to share your apps, you can. On here, it says display zoom, choose a view. I'm going to do standard. I don't need a zoom. Now here, it gives you little gestures. You can go home, switch between the apps, quickly access controls, and bam, there you go. That was the initial setup. I'm going to pause the video now, go use the phone for a little bit, maybe take some pictures with it, come back and give you my first impressions. So peace. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I've been using the iPhone XR for a couple hours now. I was able to go ahead and put my SIM card in it, made some phone calls, was able to take some photos, used it as a phone, you know, just trying to get my first impressions out to y'all. First thing I want to talk about is the overall build of it. I mean, it feels great. Glass back, the glass front, look at that. Yes, does it track fingerprints? Yes, people. But that looks like a great phone. It feels really good in the hands. It's not too heavy. It's not light. Overall, the build is great. Second thing I want to touch on is the display. Yes, I know 828p display, 1792 by 828p screen. I put it against my Note 9. Yes, you can notice it once you have your Note 9 or maybe even your LG V40. When you're looking at it right here, I don't see the difference. I have no problem watching YouTube on it. Actually, I have shown this off too. YouTube will upscale the video to 1080p. And they look great. I mean, if you compare it to other devices, yeah, you may see a little difference. But I've been using it. I don't see any difference. My kids hasn't mentioned anything to me. I let them look at it. Is it the best display? No, but definitely for, you know, iPhones, Apple always has a decent display, and I think this one is pretty decent. I still want to put it against like the 10X Max and maybe the 10 from last year. Do some comparisons just to see how that display looks. Next thing I want to take a look at is some photos that I took. Look at these photos. Y'all let me know how they look in the comments below. I'll be right back. So what y'all thought about those photos? I think the overall portrait mode and the front cameras look really good. Again, I'm not the expert on portrait mode, but they look good. The rear camera took good photos. I still have to do some tests on the videos coming up. That will be coming out soon too. But overall, I think the cameras are really good on this phone. Put it maybe against the iPhone XS Max, maybe even my Note 9. But definitely want to do some more tests. The speakers sound really good. I'm waiting to do a speaker test on against the iPhone XS Max and maybe my Note 9 or V40 Thin Q. So that video is coming up, but the speakers sound really good by itself. Using it as a phone, it was great. Making phone calls sounded great too. The A12 Bionic chip with iOS 12 been running great. This thing is smooth, I'm not gonna lie. Right now I have the phone in airplane mode, so it probably won't come up. But definitely, I mean, it runs smooth. It's no hiccups, no problems yet. I mean, it runs really smooth so far. So for my first impressions, hey, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll definitely come back maybe with a video a week later, 2 weeks later, let y'all know, if anything changes on it. Yes, I'm going to test the battery life. Yes, I'm going to do more display tests. Video test is coming soon. Yes, I'm going to play some games on it, which should be good too. But y'all stay tuned to the channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the iPhone XR. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.